Why is Tesla paying $6 million to settle a lawsuit over its solar roofs?
Like, the interesting thing is the houses you see around you are all solar houses. I don't know if you know that. I don't know if did you notice? Yeah.
Elon Musk first introduced solar roofs in 2016.
The goal is to have electric or solar roofs that look better than a normal roof, generate electricity, last longer, have better insulation, and actually have an installed cost that is less than a normal roof plus the cost of electricity. So then why would you buy anything else?
At the time, Tesla didn't even have working shingles, and their roofs have continued to have problems since then. One of the biggest challenges is how much customization they need.
On Tesla's end, they engineer it where they determine exactly how many performing tiles they need based on like the last 12-month weather patterns, and there's various other calculations involved.
When we were to do a composition roof, if that roof was to take 3 days, installing the Tesla solar roof, probably closer to 8 days. There's just a lot more moving pieces, and then the logistics side of it, getting all of this stuff to the job site.
Homeowners have also reported bad customer service from Tesla.
Every single person that we spoke to throughout our experience seems very well aware of how disorganized this operation is running.
I've spent $60,000 on your system and it doesn't work, and no one can help me, and your app is blocking me from getting any support.
Even with all these issues, Tesla fans were still excited to power their cars from their roofs.
I could not imagine buying another house without this.
It is crazy to know that my car is being completely charged literally off the sun.
But in 2021, Tesla's roof prices went way up, and it wasn't being reflected in their quotes.
The difference in realistic cost versus what they were quoted online, that's been the biggest speed bump with all of our new customers. Most of the time, it's about half of what the actual cost would be.
More than 6,000 customers ended up suing Tesla over the price increases, which were applied retroactively to homeowners who had already ordered their roofs at a lower cost. The lead plaintiff, Matthew Ammons, was originally quoted $72,000, but when all was said and done, he was charged more than twice that amount, $146,000. 6,000 customers ended up canceling their contracts with Tesla because of the price changes, which ranged from 30% to 100% higher than their initial contracts. According to the complaint, many homeowners had already spent thousands of dollars getting permits and making structural adjustments to their homes to prepare for the roof installations. Some of them had been waiting for up to a year, and others took out loans to finance the project. If that wasn't bad enough, Elon Musk admitted that Tesla made mistakes in assessing the cost of roofs in a conference call after the price hikes were announced.
We did find that we basically made some significant mistakes in assessing the difficulty of certain roofs, but the complexity of roofs varies dramatically. Some roofs can be literally 2 or 3 times easier than other roofs. So you just can't have a one-size-fits-all situation.
In the end, Tesla agreed to pay $6 million to settle the class action. So how will this affect their solar roof sales going forward? It's estimated that Tesla has only installed 3,000 solar roofs since introducing the product 7 years ago. Their overall deployment of solar has continued to go down since 2017, and they actually put up more traditional solar panels and energy storage systems than shingles. All of this raises the question of whether or not Tesla will continue to produce them.
I really would like to see somebody make this really work economically, but at 300 or 400 solar roofs a quarter, even at 1,000 solar roofs a quarter, this I don't think is going to be an economic business line for Tesla. And so one of the things I would be concerned about buying it right now is whether they're even going to keep making it in the future.
Where do Tesla's solar roofs go from here? Let us know what you think in the comments.